The way I convey the opportunities for students that come and shadow here is we talk about the different career paths that are available, the different industries that use composite materials. This is a new material, less than 100 years old, and so we're replacing conventional building materials. We need a new generation of workforce that know how to use carbon fiber and advanced materials to produce the aircraft of the future and all of our products.
Well, really, I didn't even know it existed until I saw it was offered here. But I came into the class, I shadowed for a little while, and basically it looked like something I wanted to do because it was like making things with my hands. When I learned that I could make parts for airplanes and boats and things like that, I felt that was pretty cool. I'm about to move up to Washington with the help of my teacher. He helped me get set up with a new company.
Kenwin is a student who came in and he wasn't sure that he wanted to be in the composites industry. And after shadowing, I think he saw that this is a job where you get to be creative and you get to challenge yourself and you get to build something that is valuable and helps the world. Ken went from someone who had no experience to now he's on his way to being an expert in the composites business.
My teacher is really awesome. He's like my role model. He's super smart. He knows everything about composites and advanced composites. He's like my mentor, and that's why I'm really doing everything I can to stick close to him so I can learn as much as I can, even beyond the class, so I can go as far as I can in the industry.
Kenwin demonstrated really good work ethic, and so he was able to balance coming to school in the mornings and then working a job in the afternoon. And so that type of dedication are the people that we want working with us, building a successful business.
My life changed dramatically positive because I went to school and gave myself a chance to learn and grow, and I stuck with it, most definitely. And even though it was hard, I still made effort to come here and do what I had to do.
It feels like it was all worth it, to put in all the hard work, to get someone from the beginning of the process all the way into the career field. And so the PTC model works, where we get students from the beginning to a career.